calculator.
So this is like 83, and then we're at 70 something, right? So 48. Yard sale day. We got Grandma Picker with us. Hello, Mom.
Hi, how are you doing?
And I'm not gonna get thirsty all day because I have this new sparkling water, Liquid Death. And it says that it actually kills, it murders your thirst.
That's horrible.
No, it's good because you buy
murder
one and you never have to drink anything again because it
You
murders.
don't want to do that then.
No? Okay,
I don't
anyways.
think you should drink that. I wouldn't drink that.
You don't want my thirst murdered?
No.
It's severed
definitely
lime.
It's liquid
Yeah,
death.
it's
This is
yeah.
not right.
Okay. Anyway, so we're at a community sale. It starts at 7:40. Hopefully we score big time. I don't know. We'll see. It's freezing for Florida. It's like 60 degrees.
It is.
I'm already cold. I'm already living that Florida life. Okay, so anyways, come along with us. Hopefully we find some good stuff. Their red thing is cool. Instantly drawn to it. This thing is cool. I wonder if it needs a controller. Oh, the controller's right here. I'll have to ask her about that. What else she got? Nesting dolls. Those are always fun.
Where are they? Are they
Right here, but they're 15 she's got on it. Oh, that's really expensive. What is this thing? CD case. If you want. Thor's hammer. Maybe not. The dog's barking. She might still be bringing stuff out. Morning, how are you?
How are you?
Good. How much is that little robot over there?
He's $5. He still works. He has the remote and
He's
everything.
cool.
Yeah, he's really cool. And they have 10 on him.
You do
Take
5 on it though?
5,
Okay,
yeah.
yeah, I'll do 5 on it. Let me see if there's anything else I want first.
Sure.
Kids selling some of their stuff?
Yes.
Yeah. They still sleeping?
No, they're adult children now.
Oh, gotcha.
Take care of my great niece part of the time when she's sick.
Understood, yeah.
That's what I
And
mean.
some of
first.
her clothing that
First,
doesn't
third.
fit anyone. I have kids of all ages.
I knew they looked the same.
Gotcha.
Take in.
How much is your plush stuff? Oh man, look at this guy.
Nice.
Um,
You look good. You look
those are
healthy.
adult.
dog.
The only one that's really more is the.
And you look
He
happy.
looks like the Gund bears.
This
and
thing?
then this one, yeah. Those
This
are
one's
each
more, you
3.
said?
No.
Okay.
no. Well, I
But these two are a buck a piece?
Yeah.
That's the thing. I really never went anywhere. I haven't gone to one appointment.
I
since
like
that
these
one I
ones.
had. And if I did other ones, I didn't write them down. So that's not their fault.
Nintendogs. That's interesting.
The
So cute.
Yeah.
I don't have a hard time.
Yeah.
5 miles difference. Less. That's it.
Very
So-
interesting. Didn't know they made Nintendogs. Alright, so that's
Yeah, they
5,
still have
6,
that
7, 8. And then I was gonna look through this box if that's okay.
Yeah. I just got 50-cent box. I have
Okay.
no idea what I was so tired. So,
Ah, really? My kids would probably like this.
good morning.
See if I can-
Tired today.
Well, what the? Sammy Stone.
Yeah, again, that was, I just,
Pizza Hut. Cash register, that's funny.
it still works. It did have a little credit card you could slide and it would make noise, but the actual, like, cash register.
Alright, and you said 50 cents? That puts me
Yeah.
at 10 bucks.
Okay.
All
Would you like
types
a
of
bag?
random stuff. Yeah, if you got one, I'll take one. Thank you. This guy. Alright, thank you, ma'am.
My son's giving me this bag when he comes home.
Aw. Good luck with your sale. How you guys doing this morning?
Hi, how's it going?
Good. It's a little chilly for Florida.
It'll be the last,
The last chill.
yeah, before you know it, it'll be hot, hot. So, honey, this is just an empty box.
They're in high demand, empty boxes.
Empty box, honey.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
How much are your books?
We're 50 cents each.
Okay. Do you have any more of the mangas?
No, no.
Okay.
Those are my daughters.
I could have guessed. They, my niece likes them too. Yeah.
They're just empty boxes. in
They're
case
nice
someone
empty
wanted-
boxes.
Someone wanted to.
Oh, this one has something in it.
Well, I mean, it's the box inside the box.
Oh, is it?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
yeah, so if
It's a
you-
multi-box
If you had a
setup.
ring you wanted to give someone.
Gotcha. Cool. It's $1. Oops, sorry.
There you go.
It's so cold, my hands can't even grab $1 for $2.
Okay.
Let's see, Mike. You see, they got a little Starbucks gift thing
Oh,
from Logan, but you could just, pretend you're Logan when you.
You can always take the little thing off and just leave the bow. You know?
Yeah, exactly. It'll be fine.
Nobody wants a generator or.
I have one. I bought one last storm. Okay, so what is this? Sofa cover for when you move. Kind of cool. Morning.
Hey, good morning. How you doing?
Ooh, you got breakfast.
Oh yeah.
Chicken with salsa, delicious.
No, I'm running around like a chicken without my head here.
that's the way to do it. Oh, Alan probably could use all that, yeah.
How much is your Christmas tree?
20.
20.
It works.
I have an extra one if you want. That's nice. All these tools.
Oh yeah. How do you open this thing? Oh wow. Can't figure it out.
But I need a box. So I'm gonna give you a bag. Okay.
How much you got on your tools?
It depends on which one.
Okay. Interesting.
Good, good. Oh, okay. I'm sorry. Yeah, I just met a really nice lady who's 7 years into it with her
Yeah.
husband.
Oh, cool.
She's
Those
getting
camels are cool too.
ready, you know.
See how much those are.
But good. Good. I'm glad you enjoyed it. So here, you can go ahead and put them in the bag.
Yeah, those are cool. Yeah, how much is your little nail gun here?
I'd like to get at least 40 for it.
And are they two the same thing?
No, this one is a staple one.
Okay.
It's called something else, but they're just staples, and this is the and that's the nail. One of them is the
One's
nail.
the nail and one's
Yeah.
a staple. Okay.
Yeah,
Interesting.
yeah.
D5,
It's
1,
got
2, 3,
these
6.
type of nails,
Okay, that
and
one's the
those
nail
are
one.
the. That's a different type of thing.
And how much is your camcorder?
I could do 5 on that.
I'll do that, yeah. This a floor buffer?
No, it's a for a car.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they don't make it anymore.
Interesting. How much is that one?
I can get 15 for that.
15. I think I'll do that one. That was kind of handy.
Yep.
And then is this, I couldn't get this bottom one open. Is it just tools or is there something in there?
I don't know.
It's like a science project to get it open.
It's not opening.
I must have been doing something wrong. Oh, you got it. Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Okay, so that's just bits and stuff.
Oh yeah, I got
Okay.
bits.
Yeah.
Bits and bits.
Yeah. Would you do a deal if I got both of these?
Maybe 60 for both.
Okay, I can do that.
Okay.
And then 75, 80.
Yep.
And then, oh yeah, what it?
Oh,
Cards.
I don't know, $3.
83. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, no, actually, we can ask about this too.
Yep. I was just thinking.
I'm at 83.
Oh, the tall ones?
What is it?
You got all the wheat stuff.
I don't, so I don't know. You look at this. I was looking at this. That's
Cyber shot.
this is
All this
off.
stuff is
Yeah,
cool.
Yeah, that one I got. That's what I don't want it. You want it off.
Okay.
This,
All right.
yeah.
I'll hold it, yeah.
Here, that was the only one.
Okay, thank you.
Over here, that was it. This little old one. All right, don't leave it.
Oh, this is cool. Automotive center.
Would you want for this?
Um,
This stuff.
iPod Classic, iPod Nano, iPad Mini. Look at all these are fun.
oh, I'm sorry.
What is this thing? I wonder if any of these will work. That is always the ultimate question, isn't it? iPod Nano, iPad Mini, chargers. What is this? A Roku.
Yeah, but, you know, you can't, yeah, so it's like, what am I gonna do? I'm, you know,
Alright, so boots. Let's look at these boots. Double H. Oh, I think those are good.
well,
Like a compass? Yeah. Okay, let me. Dave.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
yeah.
What's that?
$20 for that.
That is pretty cool, huh?
She said it's her husband, and
Yeah, he
it's
collected all this. He was a sailor. He was in the Merchant Marine.
this 10 and 8 for these. And the globe, what did we say price on the globe?
Oh, the globe. Globe. I want 10.
Okay.
And this globe.
This stuff I'm already
Oh, that's
working.
your stuff?
Yeah, sorry.
What do you think, Dave?
What's that? Okay, I'm sorry. So what's the total? 20? 10 you said?
Yeah.
So 30 and that one?
40. That would be
40.
48.
48. And what about that one?
5. 48.
What about what are these? Little
The
looking
bullets.
glasses? Oh, bullets. Yeah.
Yeah, I
I really want bullets.
That's the one about that.
I mean, okay, so 48 we're at?
I think so.
Okay.
Are you recording me?
This is recording, but yeah. Yeah, I always record when I go to yours. Yeah, I point it down so I'm not like getting people's yeah. 48. I have no idea if these are worth that.
She said that's worth 68.
That one's the one thing I'm pretty confident in. All right, grab it all. Let's put it in my pile. Okay, so we're at 83. 48.
Yeah, carry that. Are you good?
Put it here. Well, I got it. Hold on, Mom. Come here. I'm still negotiating. Right here.
Oh.
All right, so
What's up?
How are you?
Oh my god.
Have you another one?
Somebody just bought the jewelry.
Oh, it's okay. Hell yeah.
so
Okay.
I found a couple more things too, and I
Okay.
didn't know your price on. What about these boots?
Let's do 8.
Okay. And what about these old iPads?
Do $10 a piece.
Still got jewelry.
10 a piece, huh?
Those are
51.
Oh, okay.
I might not do this one at 10, but the other two I think I'll do at 10. Okay, so that was 55, 60, 75, 83.
Do you have a calculator?
So this was like 83, and then we're at 70 something, right? So 48, 58, 68, 75, 83. Do like 150?
75 plus 83.
Yeah. It's like 158 or something, 157, right?
All right, yeah, we'll do 150.
So 150. Okay, I'll leave this one. Okay.
Oh, come on. Oh my god, since 96.
Let's see what they got over here.
What are you gonna do with all that stuff?
The bigger one.
You're gonna
Nest
Wi-Fi
Wi-Fi hot
it
point.
while you're alive. Yes.
How much do you have on this one?
Oh, the nests?
Yeah.
Do you want all of them?
Are these all
$5
nests? Are
a
these
piece on each?
5 each?
Yeah.
What a nest.
I think I only
The
want
pucks,
the
they're
big
pucks,
one.
they're for your Wi-Fi.
Oh, nice.
I'll just do this one.
Okay.
Do you have change for a 10?
What year did you guys move down here?
96.
I moved 96. My husband moved in.
Listening.
What?
I said I'm listening.
Yeah, he moved in. He came here in 2001.
Thank you.
Oh, okay. You've been kind of changed.
Mom, did you see that giant sailor light? That light's cool.
That is very
The
cool.
giant,
I do
like,
that.
Yeah.
that's really neat.
Yeah.
How much is the light?
Well, I can't go less than 50 on that. I know
That's
it's
probably
worth a
worth
lot
that,
more.
yeah.
It's
Oh, it's worth more
definitely,
than that.
it's
Yeah,
definitely
it's
worth
awesome.
it. I do like it. I don't know if it would go with my decor, but I do like it.
Maybe on top of your fire, but then you'd have to take all your other stuff off because it's so big. It's very cool though.
Yeah, it's a collectible.
Yeah. All right, Mom. Ready?
Yeah.
Hey guys, Dave the NC Picker here. Thank you so much for coming with me to those sales. I actually do have quite a bit more footage that I'll get edited and up on my channel as soon as possible. I hope you enjoyed the video, found some really cool things and some questionable things. I probably shouldn't have paid so much for the DeWalt nail guns, but I won't lose money on them. I should make a little bit, but not as much as I'd like to. The boots, I got those boots. I think those will sell for around $50 based on the comps I'm finding. I got some brass stuff that was maybe questionable, but my mom was really excited about it, and I like brass stuff, so I figured I'd go for it. I think I spent like $40, $45 on all the brass, and I think this little cool compass itself will sell for $40, so I'm pretty sure the brass, I will make some money because I got quite a few cool pieces, bunch of camels, things like that I should do well with. This is kind of interesting because I think it's an ashtray. It's like a ship like steering wheel, but it's also like an ashtray. It's kind of cool. Definitely did good on this iPod. It works perfectly. I've been playing around with it. Definitely brings back some memories too. Look at this, guys. Apple headphone jack. Remember those? They're rare and elusive, but I do like them. It's also got a bunch of cool music on it. So anyways, yeah, this looks like it sells for around $120. So that's going to be great. And I paid $10 for it. Maybe I should have bought that ceramic Christmas tree, but it's expensive to ship. She wanted $20 for it. I probably could sell it for $50. Didn't really seem worth it to me, so I passed. Oh, that camcorder was really good too. The Panasonic camcorder, I'll sell for $60. So I think I spent $150 at that sale, and I'll probably bring in probably around $450. So definitely some nice finds. I also left in there kind of the bad buys, the questionable buys, because I don't always win, right? Like that little iPod Nano is only worth $10 and I paid $10 for it. So that's kind of just a loss. But I wasn't sure. I knew that one of the small iPods had some value. She had the iPod mini and the iPod Nano. I should have looked it up, but I didn't feel like it. And so I said, I'll just get the Nano. That one's smaller, so it feels better. But it turns out the Nano's worth $10 and the mini was worth $40. I leave that stuff in so you guys can see, hey, this is what you shouldn't do. So, you can see my wins, you can see my losses, and no matter what, whether I'm winning or losing, you're learning. So I think it's worth leaving in there and not only showing my big, perfect finds, right? I show the good and the bad. And so I hope you guys enjoy that and appreciate that. Some people might get embarrassed by their fails, but I have no shame, so it's fine. I also had some really good finds at that first sale. Little 50-cent box had a cash register from Pizza Hut that sells for like $35. Pretty impressive. And then that robot that I got, I might not even sell the robot because it's big and bulky. I might just sell the remote for $25 and be done with it. That's a cool little bolo if you ever find a box of remotes. But yeah, a lot of good stuff, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure you subscribe. Check out my NC Flipper channel. That's my second YouTube where I talk about what actually sold. And come back next time for another awesome adventure.